How to search for images on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Go to the top right corner and tap on the search icon. You can now search for the photos or videos that you are looking for from here. Go to the search bar and type in the keyword for your search. For example, 2021. As you can see, you will find all the photos containing 2021 in it or from the year 2021. You can also search for other subjects as well. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily search for images on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.